You'll delight in the open, airy feel of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home with a split-bedroom floor plan on a large 1/3 acre lot. Features include cathedral ceiling, laminate floors, lovely screened porch, and an expansive yard with storage shed. The kitchen has appealing granite countertops, an integrated pantry, stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage space, and a pass-through window into the living room. The living room boasts a cathedral ceiling and a gas log fireplace. There are 2 eating spaces, the breakfast room off the kitchen and a formal dining room that is currently being used as an office. The placement of the primary bedroom provides privacy. This room has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a twin sink vanity. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a second full bath combined with a laundry area. The 1-year-old washer and dryer is negotiable. Relax inside the screened porch or patio that overlooks the lovely, tree-shaded backyard with plenty of room for outdoor activities. Additional storage is found in the attached 2-car garage. This home is situated on a cul-de-sac in Gentry Estates. This neighborhood offers a community pool, shelter house for picnics, a basketball court, and sidewalks for safe, easy walks around the neighborhood. Conveniently